Morning guys, we're actually quite behind with the blogs at the minute. There's about 5 or 6 blogs that we've still got to edit. There's a lot of stuff from the Europe trip. We've just got that much work going on and that many events and shows. We're literally working 6 days a week and then we're out every Sunday at some form of event. But what I'm going to quickly show you on this is what we're currently working on is, you've probably seen this car before, it's been a repeat customer. We've done a lot of Black Ghost, I think it's called, or Dark Ghost body kits on this one. We'll actually take Dark Ghost, sorry, body kit on this one. We ordered him a duck fin carbon spoiler. He got himself a different diffuser, all the things that we did on our own RS5, but he's actually wanted to change it up a little bit. So what we've currently got is the Dark Ghost and rear spoiler now. So the carbon one's come off, the Dark Ghost one's going to go on. It's not a great fit, I'm not going to lie, it's bowed. It needs a lot of shaping. That's the sort of thing we're going to have to get done with it today. We've had it painted already because we couldn't get this one off just to test fit it, because it would have meant that the spoiler weren't on for weeks and it had looked a bit tatty. So we actually got the spoiler painted in advance, but the problem is this part here does not shape at all. It's literally wavy and it's rigid everywhere. It's a pretty bad design, I've got to be honest. The rest of the kit were really good to fit. That is pretty shocking. Now what we have done, and I'll get some more pictures later on, we've actually changed the rear diffuser on this one. So this has got the Maxton one on it now with all the bigger fins. We've also got a rain light for it. The problem is the rain light doesn't fit, the bracket's not right, and it needs a lot of wiring up. So today what we're going to be doing is getting this spoiler shaped down to actually fit on there. Then we're going to be looking at trying to get a rain light on and work out a way of actually getting it to fit. And then we'll show you that when we've actually got it finished. Hopefully we'll have it done for about 3 o'clock today and we should be able to get some pictures and videos up. Only a quick blog. There will be a lot more coming. As there's all the Europe trip, there's the Donny Auto Show blog. There's loads, to be fair, so just keep an eye out on us. As I say, always try and please go on the YouTube channel, click subscribe, click the bell icon, just follow us. We don't have a massive YouTube following, it's something we haven't done for a long time. We've only really got into it in the last year. We kind of missed the boat with it, didn't think it was going to be a thing, and it is. And what we've noticed is when we put all our videos on there, they actually are higher quality, so we don't upload them to Facebook or YouTube or Instagram anymore. They are only on YouTube. So if you do want to see the work we do, you want to see the cars we work on, and you want to see all the detailing blogs, please go on the YouTube channel, click subscribe. You can go on it on the website or just type in Inspired Automotive YouTube and it'll come straight up. Speak to you in a bit, guys. So we've got the rain light on, we've got the rear diffuser fitted, and we've got the new spoiler fitted for him. Now it's not been a difficult job, I'm not going to lie, but it's been really tricky to get it right. To do with basically new cars, when you start putting new lights into them, they don't like them. I forgot the actual wording that they have now, but basically they don't like new lights and they can cause errors on the dash and cause them to kind of trick out. So what's happened is 3 times that we've actually put the rain light in, it's worked and then it stopped working later on, and then it either worked or it stayed on. So I've tested it now 4 times. Fingers crossed it's going to work. I'm going to now start the car, put the brake light on, put the tripod on, and hopefully this time it's going to stay on, it's going to work, it's going to flash a few times and then it'll stay red, and then it'll do it again every time we brake. So fingers crossed, this time we've got it right. Do you know what? Actually worked. I've tested it 5 times, we know it's running, we know that's on and it's right. It flashes so many times and stays solid, and that's the idea of it. And then obviously every time you re-brake it re-enables itself like a reset. We've got the Dark Ghost spoiler on. As I said, it weren't the best fit in the world, I'm not going to lie, we've got that on. The rear diffuser was a really good fit, in all fairness. We just did a bit of adaptation to make sure it's a bit more rigid. The rain light is now on and it's working. Didn't come with the brackets right, so we've adapted those and actually made it fit ourselves, and it looks seriously cool. We've always said this about this car, every time we've done anything on this car it looks absolutely amazing, especially in all dark and stealth. Leave your comments below, let us know what you think of the car. We'll try and get a few more video footage of it at some point. We're going to try and do like a photo shoot of the car because it's been in quite a few times now. But drop us a comment on there, make sure you click like and make sure you click the bell icon and follow our notifications, guys. Cheers, thank you. you.